This time we're going to actually create a view. We're going to create a view about Albert Einstein. We've already got the category set up. We've got a famous physicist category, so we'll use that. Now we go into my portfolio and we add some items that about Albert Einstein. We can add links, files and notes, so we'll add one of each and pull them together into a view which is about Albert Einstein. So first off we'll start with a link. Here's some other links we've got. We'll add a new link. It's about it's Wikipedia about Albert Einstein. We'll put it in famous physicists, paste in the URL, and that's us done. You can see there it is. Now we'll add a file. There's previous files. We'll add a new file. This is a speech by Albert Einstein when he accepted his Nobel Prize. Famous physicist again. We'll browse to it. It's on my desktop, so I'll quickly find it. The Einstein lecture. There it is. And I'll click Save Changes. And it'll upload. The content windows, you can just add some notes about the things you're putting in there. And the last thing is notes. We've got one on Sir Isaac Newton. We'll add another one about Albert Einstein. Put it in the famous physicists. I've got three paragraphs I've copied from Wikipedia, so for this purpose, so I'll just put those into here. You can add images as well, but the images have to be hosted elsewhere on the internet somewhere. So you need the URL of the image. Here's the URL of an image I looked up earlier. Click on that, put the image URL in there, put some alternate text in there, click OK. That image is a bit big, so I'll just shrink it down a little bit, and then just center it. Click Save Changes, and here we are. Now I've got the three things. Now I'm going to pull them together into a view. So what I'll do is I create a view is basically dressing up your shop window, putting various items into your shop window for people to look at. So I click on Add View. This one's about Albert Einstein. I'll leave the description empty for now. You can put those things in. So you put in, we'll just drag and drop these. Albert Einstein. We'll put in his speech. There's a link to his scroll down here, Wikipedia, Albert Einstein, put the link at the bottom there. Give it a headline. I can also, if I wanted to, add another headline, add a text box for me to add other text, general text, add my personal information. At the moment sharing, nobody has access to this, so I'll come down here, click on Change, and now I have a choice of external access and internal access. External, if I tick that box, basically means I'll get a link that I can share with people outside Moodle. If I choose internal access, that's access for everybody inside Moodle, or access only for the following users. If I tick that box, then I get a list of every person who has a course shared with me. So I can just choose even down to 2 or 3 people on 2 or 3 different courses who have access to this. So just to keep it simple for now, I'll just keep it to access for all. Click Add, and we're done. Then the only thing left to do is to click on it and see what we've done. I've got the notes at the top with Albert Einstein. I can download a PDF of his speech. I can go to the Wikipedia article about him. also what people can do, people can click on all of these, the people you've shared this portfolio with, they can click on it and make comments. So if I scroll down the bottom here, there's now a comment window where people can make comments on your portfolio. And that's about all there is to it.